intents and purposes, Princess Margaret Hospital looked pretty much the same as it always does this morning. Well, there were no lines. Patients waited for services as a few family members gathered outside. Now, behind the scenes, though, an entirely different scenario. 3 years of reported injustices, unheard requests, and empty promises today bubbled over today, the first of a promised 2-day strike action with a large percentage of Princess Margaret Hospital's doctors failing to report for their shifts. Our Danielle Dean sat in on a press conference during which concerns about patients and the state of the public hospital were addressed.
Not at all the words anyone wants to hear, particularly coming from hospital officials. But Public Hospitals Authority Managing Director Aubynette Rolle put it bluntly to reporters this morning in the face of today's mass industrial action at the country's public hospital. Says of the Junior Doctors Union alone, 90% of them have called in.
As it relates to the nursing staff, we've only had about 10%. In Grand Bahama, the total population there, 25% of them have called in. At Sandilands, 15% of them have called in.
But will there be a crisis moving forward? Rolle candidly admits the potential is there. However,
we will be doing multiple rounding in the hospital. This is to ensure that things are flowing well, that patients are getting the attention, as well as the ability to be able to discharge patients who can go home.
Rolle further reassures the hospital has called in reinforcement.
Those areas where we have specialized nurses and persons trained, we've pulled them from the other areas to be able to support the nurses. We're also grateful to retired nurses, retired TCNs and RNs who have come together to help us, and we have a pool formed to be able to facilitate for the next 48 hours.
After which, if things don't return to normal, PHA has another backup plan, Rolle insists. She noted that the healthcare industry is one that is fluid and that problem solving is no new concept. Reporting for the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Danielle Dean.
Hi there, I'm Corval Pyfrom. Thank you for watching our YouTube page. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all things Z&S.